Hi everyone, welcome back to the Garden Classroom. This is Pam Flory, and today we are going to be transplanting. And we want to talk a little bit about what that means and what to look for when you are at your local farmer's market or your local nursery and you're picking out your vegetable, flower, and herb seedlings. Always try and find the plants with really fat, stocky stems. Try and avoid plants that are already flowering if you can. Here we have one of our fabulous tomatoes that we grew here in the greenhouse at our school garden. This happens to be a green zebra, and it is in something called a cow pot. The fabulous thing about cow pots is they are biodegradable and actually provide a little bit of nutrient for your plants. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tear this top lip off of my tomato plant. I'm going to pull any little weeds that might have grown from the compost we put in there. And as you can see, this tomato plant is very sturdy. Here's that real stocky stem I was talking about. This actually does have one little set of flowers that are coming on right at the top there. So I'm going to dig a nice big hole, deep hole, and wide hole, and again enough to accommodate at least my entire root ball, because I really want this to grow a nice thick root system for me. I'm going to place my seedling right down in that hole that I dug, and now I'm going to put some a little bit of soil conditioner in here. This is called bumper crop. We also use the compost that we make here at the school. I'm just going to mix that in a little bit right around. And now I learned this from my dad. I am going to actually water this in before I even cover it with any soil. I'm going to fill up this hole with water. This is going to ensure that cow pot I have is going to be nice and moist. It's going to be very easy for my roots to grow right through. It's also going to ensure that this plant gets a really healthy dose of water right when it's planted. It's going to help with that little bit of transplant shock. So now I'm going to cover it. And one of the things we tell the students often is you do not want a volcano around the base of your stem. You want a nice flat surface. Hopefully you will have some success transplanting all of the wonderful plants, flowers, vegetables, and herbs you're going to grow this summer.